And so by looking at deeper labs, looking at studies like quantitative EEGs of the brain, looking at other things, we can figure out where's the dysfunction. And then we want to really rev up your mitochondrial function and push down your inflammation. And biohacking is a big part of that. Light therapy, oxygen therapy. There's something called the neurosuit, which is a total body stimulation suit that we use, in our clinics. All of that upregulates the things that you want and brings down inflammation. Perimenopausal symptoms, completely mismanaged in some cases. People are errantly labeled as having depression, all kinds of other stuff. They're putting on meds for their symptoms, root causes. And again, it's very, very important looking at how their hormones are interacting with each other, cortisol levels, estrogen, progesterone, everything.